The Web3 gaming ecosystem has grown swiftly in the last 2 years. The crypto space has attracted billions of dollars in investments, and now it's starting to attract the attention of gamers with a trend called Web3 gaming. However, given that the space is relatively young, it still encounters its fair share of challenges. These challenges have been made even more obvious in the bear market. From a high barrier to entry to complicated technological navigations required to access the games, blockchain gaming has been held back in its growth by the lack of solutions to these challenges. Given this, GameSwift has made the move to solve these issues of Web3 gaming. The platform, which is built atop its own chain set up on the Polygon Edge framework, promises never-before-seen capabilities as it propels gaming projects into the limelight. The offerings of GameSwift don't end here. As the platform received a grant from Polygon as part of its strategic partnership, GameSwift is set to become the go-to gaming ecosystem for all games built on the Polygon blockchain. This comes after the exodus of projects from the Terra blockchain following the collapse. Now, unlike most projects, Terra did not just move on to another blockchain. Given its reputation as the most popular fundraising platform on the Terra blockchain, Terra had taken its time to come up with an entirely new strategy. In the process, the project had decided to embrace the core tenets of its offerings, which is gamification. After analyzing network security, scalability, on-chain transaction fees, condition of the local GameFi, user base size, and the existing NFT market, Terra had decided to partner up with Polygon. Only this time, it would rebrand as GameSwift, the leading gaming ecosystem for gamers and game developers. GameSwift is building a fully fledged ecosystem for Web3 gaming protocols. Taking advantage of the decentralization of the Polygon blockchain, GameSwift is able to create its own unique solution known as the GameSwift chain. Songo $1,000,000 prize pool participate in building the future win $80,000 and Songo coins 20Z residency 10x citizenship 20 by 250 M2 land claim. Now the GameSwift chain is one that enables protocols to build solutions that incentivize blockchain gamers while providing them a better, refined, and more secure game. By doing this, all of GameSwift's solutions will be able to take advantage of the best parts of the Polygon network. It provides an entire blockchain ecosystem complete with its own gaming-optimized chain, dedicated gaming developer tools known as GameSwift SDK, and a product called GameSwift ID which facilitates the access to different Web3 games. The GameSwift chain is built on the framework of Polygon Edge, providing leading-edge technology for gamers and game ecosystems. It does this with both solutions based on the Polygon network such as Zovn, and a broad suite of products developed in-house. The Web3 gaming space has been the perfect marriage of gaming and earning, but anyone who has interacted with blockchain games knows that currently, they are far from perfect. One example of the challenges being faced is the multiple chains where these games are domiciled. A gamer cannot simply move their NFT and game assets from one chain to another and would have to go through the process of switching networks every time they choose to interact with a new game. What this does is create a technological barrier to entry, with the arduous process of switching from chain to chain discouraging gamers from continuing. GameSwift addresses this ever-present challenge with its GameSwift ID. GameSwift ID is a decentralized identification system that allows gamers to connect their wallets to a single platform.